Hello students, let us solve question of integration based on partial fractions. Evaluate integration of 2x minus 1 upon x minus 1, x minus 2, x minus 3. So students, you can see the degree of numerator is 1 and degree of denominator is 3. Okay, so it is proper rational function. So to solve this question by partial fraction, let us suppose 2x minus 1 upon x minus 1, x minus 2, x minus 3 equal to a upon x minus 1 plus b upon x minus 2 plus c upon x minus 3. So 2x minus 1 upon x minus 1 is x minus 2, x minus 3 equals to, we can take LCM here, x minus 1, x minus 2, x minus 3, correct? So x minus 1, x minus 1 cancelled, x minus 2, x minus 3a, x minus 2 cancel, x minus 1, x minus 3 into b, x minus 3 cancel, x minus 1, x minus 2 into c, correct? Now students, denominator both are same, will be cancelled. 2x minus 1 equals to x minus 2, x minus 3 into a, x minus 1, x minus 3 into b, x minus 1, x minus 2 into c. Now students, we have to find out value of a, b, c. So there are two methods. I want to share with you easiest method. Here we have to put the value of x, okay, so that we can easily solve. Student, if we put x equal to 1 here, so when we put 1 here, so v will become 0, x minus 1 minus 1 0. When we put 1 here, so 1 minus 1 0, cv is also 0. So easily we can get the value of a. So let us put x equal to 1. So it will be 2 into 1 minus 1 equals to 1 minus 2, 1 minus 3a plus 1 minus 1, 1 minus 3b, 1 minus 1, 1 minus 2c. So 1 minus 1, 0. So b is 0, 1 minus 1, 0, c is also 0. So 2 minus 1, 1 and minus 1 into minus 2, 2a. So a equal to 1 upon 2. So student, we can put any value of x so that we can easily get the value of a, b, c. Now student, I am going to put x equal to 2. So when we put 2 in equation 2, then 2 minus 2, so it will be 0. 2 minus 1, 2 minus 3b, 2 minus 1 and 2 minus 2c, 2 minus 2 here, so it will also 0. So students, 2 minus 2, 2 minus 3a, 2 minus 1, 2 minus 3b, 2 minus 1, 2 minus 2c. So 2 to the 4 minus 1, 3, it will be 0, a is 0 and c is also 0. Here 1 into minus 1, minus b. So minus b equal to 3, it means b equal to minus 3. Now putting x equal to 3 in equation number 2. Now students, I am going to put x equal to 3 here in equation number 2. So when you put 3 students, it will become 3 minus 2, 3 minus 3a, 3 minus 1, 3 minus 3b, 3 minus 1, 3 minus 2, c, and this side 2 into 3 minus 1. So 5, 3 minus 3 0, so a will be 0, 3 minus 3 0, b also 0. Here 2 into 1 into c, so 2c, c equal to 5 by 2. So student, we can get the value here 1 by 2, a equals to 1 by 2, b equals to minus 3 and c equals to 5 by 2. So this is the method of getting the value a, b, c. Okay, let us put the value here in equation number 1, a, b and c value. So when we put the value of a, b, c in 1, then we can get 2x minus 1 upon x minus 1, x minus 2, x minus 3 equals to 1 upon 2 upon x minus 1 plus minus 3 upon x minus 2 plus 5 upon 2 upon x minus 3. Now students, easily we can find out its integral. Okay, so by the help of partial fraction we can split our quotient into different parts of fraction so that we can easily get its integrals. So now 1 upon 2 outside, integration of 1 upon x minus 1 dx minus 3, 1 upon x minus 2 dx plus 5 by 2, 1 upon x minus 3 dx. So 1 upon 2, its integration log x minus 1 minus 3, its integration log x minus 2 plus 5 by 2, its integration log x minus 3 plus c. So this is the answer, student. So by the help of partial fraction, first of all we have to divide the quotient into different parts of fractions, and after then we can get the value of ABC, putting the value of ABC and find out the integration. Let us solve one more question, student. We have to find out integration x cube minus 1 upon x cube plus x dx. Now students, you can see here the degree of numerator and degree of denominator are same. So we have to change it into proper rational function. To change it into proper rational function, we have to divide numerator by denominator. So 1 jar x cube plus x, sign will be changed, x cube cancel, minus x minus 1. So this function can be written as 1 plus minus x minus 1 upon s cube plus x. Correct? So I have changed our improper rational function into mixed function. Correct? So now we can easily find out integration of 1. But how can we solve this part? So we can take minus common, so it will be negative here. So integration of 1 dx minus integral of x plus 1, x is common, x square plus 1. So we can find out its integration by the help of partial fraction. So let us suppose x plus 1 upon x square plus 1, this part equals to a upon x and its degree is 2. So plus bs plus c upon x square plus 1. As I told you earlier, when we suppose, then we have to remember the degree of numerator we have to take 1 less than the denominator. Here degree of denominator is 1, so degree of numerator is 0, that's why I have taken a here. Here degree of denominator is 2. So here degree of numerator we have to take 1. So we can take here bx plus c. Okay. Now students, we can take LCM to get the value of a and b. So x square plus 1 is LCM. So x cancel. X square plus 1 into a plus x square plus 1 cancel. X multiply by this. So x into bx plus c. So denominator are same, both will be cancelled. X plus 1 equals to x square plus 1a plus bx square plus cx. Now putting x equal to 0. Now students, to get the value of a and b and c also, we put the value of x 1, 0, minus 1, 2, any value we can put, so that we can easily find out value of ABC. So when I will put 0 here, then B will be 0, C is also 0. We can easily get the value of A. So let us put x equal to 0. 0 square plus 1a. b into 0 square plus c into 0. So 0, 0, what left here? A equals to 1. Now students, let's put x equal to 1 here. So when you put 1, so this side it will become 1 plus 1 equals to 1 square plus 1a plus b into 1 square plus c into 1. So 1 square plus 1, 1 square 1, 1 plus 1 2, 2a plus b plus c. Now we know the value of a is 1. So put the value of a1, then we get b plus c equals to 0. Now students, let us put x equals to minus 1. We have put x equal to 1 here. Now put x equals to minus 1. So when you put minus 1 plus 1, it will be minus 1 square, 1, 1 plus 1, then b minus 1 square, c minus 1, and 2a plus b minus c, it will be 0. A value we know, 1. So the equation will be b minus c equals to minus 2. Now equation number 4 and equation number 5 we can solve to get the value of b and c. So let us add both of them. When we add both of them, then cc will be cancelled. 2b equals to minus 2, b equals to minus 1. Putting value of b in 4, this is the equation 4. So when we put b equals to minus 1, c equal to 1. So we have got the value of ABC. Now put the value of ABC in equation number 2. So x plus 1 upon x square plus 1 equals to a value 1, 1 upon x, b value minus 1. So it will become minus x, c value 1, minus x plus 1 upon x square plus 1. So 1 upon x minus x plus 1 upon x square plus. Now students, it will become x square minus 1 upon x cube plus x integration 1 dx minus 1 upon dx, 1 upon x dx plus x upon x square plus 1 dx minus 1 upon x square plus 1 dx. So 1 integration x, 1 upon x integral log x, its integral 1 upon 2 log x square plus 1 minus, it is the formula of tan inverse x plus c. Now student, how we can get its integral? So I have written one side. I have supposed here x square plus 1 equal to t. So its differentiation 2x equals to dt upon dx. 2x dx equals to dt. X dx equals to dt by 2. So integration, at the place of x dx we can write dt by 2 and upon t. So 1 upon 2, 1 upon t integral log t plus c. Replacing t, at the place of t we can add x square plus 1. So 1 upon 2 log x square plus 1 plus c. So this is the answer student. That's why I have written at this place 1 upon 2 log x square plus 1. Okay, and one side we can show it separated. Correct students? This is the answer. X minus log x plus 1 upon 2 log x square plus 1 minus tan inverse x plus c. Okay students?